Hello, and welcome back to what is hopefully the last boring garage episode of BMW Build Jekyll. Is my collar popped? It is. That's lame. I got to installing my Condor Speed Shop engine mounts. Condor provides all the hardware you need, but they can't stop you from having butterfingers.
This is actually just about one of the most infuriating things I've ever done. It's gotta be, like, I just want to turn the car upside down so I can get these two things in there.
Alright, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. The engine is going back in. That car with the engine. Since the Condor mounts are so stiff, we had a bit of trouble lining up the mount holes with them, but we struggled through it. After the engine was mounted up, I installed the drive shaft and some Condor Speed Shop transmission mounts as well. All I could think was that this was going to be one very stiff drivetrain. After that was done, I tackled the front control arm bushings. These don't like to come off that went down my shirt, lovely. These don't like to come off super easy. Not that. This stuff, silicone lubricant seems to do a lot. There she goes. Come on. Boom. Whole thing. Clean that up and put the new one on. All right. See, you can buy Condor Speed Shop bushings pressed into the carriers for you already, which is nice. So all I have to do is put them on. Now, which way do they go? This goes like that. Did I grab the wrong one? I did grab the wrong one. That's annoying. All right, so you can see here, this is an offset bushing, okay? It's usually the bushing hole, the stock bushing's in the center. This one is offset. What that does is it adds caster, okay? That's the tilting this way of your shock, right? So basically just because of the position of it, it adds caster. That will improve the on-center feel of your steering. The right side went on fine, but I had a bit of a problem with the control arm on the left. Alright, so ran into a bit of a snag, and I got past it, but oh, jeez. Alright, so if you look there, that one, this must have been a Mile HD control arm, because the little hex was bigger, and Condor said that sometimes the Mile HD ones are bigger, so I had to grind that down, and then really wail on this to get it on there. That one went on easily, but this one is now on. It doesn't look pretty, but it's in there. I gotta torque it down now. Alright, we're done that. Alright, so I've getting ready to install the cooling system back in. So this was the condenser, which I've removed. That's actually quite a lot of weight off the front. And I removed this, which is the power steering cooler, which weighs literally nothing. Pump does though. Just installing the radiator right now.
Dr. Jekyll deserves some fresh headlight lenses and corner lights, and I took the time to install a long tube cold air intake. These reduce turbulence at the mass airflow sensor and give more consistent readings, which when coupled with a tune can add more power. Just make sure you cover the area down low so that it doesn't suck up any water in a rainstorm.
This car, Dr. Jekyll, has the front clip on now, as you can see. All right, and we're going to be trying to strap the exhaust on, but I've run into a problem with the eBay headers. By the way, Mr. Hyde is over here doing its thing. Lots of rust repair. I gotta get this out, and I gotta get the roll bar welded in, and I can worry about the drift car later. This one's time sensitive because time attack is coming up. That one is not. All right, I'm gonna show you my issue with the exhaust right now. Okay, so basically, with eBay headers, this is the issue right here. Now, when I pull those flanges together, this one's going to mate up, but that one is gonna have like a little bit of a gap. You've got a couple options. One is you can pay somebody or weld yourself a little extension in this one and bring it up closer, or you can just send it and just try and whip them together with an impact gun. I'm gonna try that first before I bother paying anybody to do anything. All right, let's do it. Oh no. Oh no. Bolts that I got are too. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I don't have time for this. All right. Literally had to go out of the hardware store, get a different stupid size for this thing. I swear to God, this car. All right, the headers were like literally a fraction too small for that size. So it's gonna be this. All right, so the exhaust is back on. I just made it work with the eBay headers. I just sent it. I just put the bolts in, impact gun, it went down. So that's money saving actually. That car did not do that, this one did. Okay, so we got this PCV setup system just temporarily, right? So we're gonna try and start it. Everything, I think, is hooked up. Fuel, electrical. Let's try it, why not? Right? First start. I've actually no idea what kind of state this engine is in, right? Because I got it from a dude in a truck yard. Okay. Fuel pump. Huh? Okay. It's running. There's no check engine light, weirdly, yet. I'm sure there will be. And there's more vibrations coming through into the cabin than I remember. I can feel the steering wheel vibrating as I have solid mounts all around this whole car. All right, idling perfectly, straight up.